Riria acirithania mugwanja igoti itugiru maharukirie matonyo mao ikinya gwa ikinya nginya igoti ni itugiru gutuithania nganja cigemaine na githurano gutire mundu uma na uma wa mwerekera uria makwe bururi na thutha wa mathaa manini itua riarekererio na gukungwiri hamwe na ihoru cia thana riera-ini ria igoti itugiru.
Maundu ni mekwagira na mikakati ria yothe muretirwo ni thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza riu ni gukayukite thirikari ni rafagwo na mugukorwo mwe very central to the you will be very core to the government that has come.
I think Supreme Court egutama kajira gaka thongi muno kwithirwa nande mtura wonte oga participate githurano na kumenya atiumba gutumira the so called deep state kana gutumira any persuasion but omaibu bukarunga at the end of the day.
It's been a very engaging period and we are thankful it has now ended. The time for court cases has ended. The time to assemble a new team has now started. We now move forward as one country and as one people.
We do not agree with the decision of the Supreme Court. Like Al Gore, I will say we accept the decision, but we do not agree with it.
Miaho ya Mawakiri aria maratetanagia nganja-ini cia mumirira ma githurano marekereirie mawoni ngurani megemaine na cira uyu mwena wa athitangani makionekana kwa kuiganira na itua ria igoti athitangwo magitugiria itua ria acirithania mugwanja riria maugite ricoreire bururi wa Kenya mbica ya gorothio-ini wa kimabũrũri.
Wa mbere njokerie kindu gitagwo majaji mothe ngatho tondu ni undu wa korora cira ucio uria wagiriire na otorera urakionire harae na ciuria kenda ciĩgie githurano na ciothe igoti rioiga hatire undu ona umwe riona uhutanetie na hihi urathi kuhutia kindu gitagwo mutaratara wa githurano ati hihi wendi wa Wanjiku ukaga kuhinga.
Gentleman, Camargo's name was not supposed to be on Form 34A. If at all he was involved in this election, he was involved on the technology side. So to find it anywhere near a Form 34A raised more questions than answers.
We feel extremely proud that they have been able to raise the profile of the advocates in this country a notch higher from their presentation.
Mawakiri aria maratetanagia na uhotani wa President Muthure William Ruto marauga igoti ni riageire kiene uira uria marari naguo makiuga matinetekirio kuhingura servers ciothe iria maugite irakuite uritu wa uira wothe uria ungiratemanirio mbere ya acirithania.
That report was completely silent on the failure to open the servers. The servers, repeat, the servers have all the answers.
We shall give him the courage we have to, but whenever he goes wrong, we shall tell him. And I've come out as a Kenyan to live in the opposition if that's what people wanted.
We do apologize if at times we looked like hooligans. I mean, you have said we behaved well, but we didn't behave as well as we should have. But thank you very much for your time and for delivering this judgment.
Ona kuri uguo marauga matire na wikio tiga gwitikira itua riri ona gutuika ni magegetio kuigwa ati muthingi-ini wa maundu kenda mari igoti riratuagira cira gutiri undu no umwe wao hetwo ritu.
It's incredible that we could lose on all points and they could win on all points. But as Senior has explained, it's probably the ideological aspect of this judgment.
Kuona iture igoti riri niryo ria muthia athitangani maugite bara ria marua ni mahete hinya mweru na ati gicinga kiria mahuhiriria gitietiga kuruta ndogo. Thutha wa miahu itiganite ya Mawakiri kurekereria mawoni ngurani megemainie na itua ria muthia ria igoti riri riu bururi wa rika ikerekaini ringi ria wihariria wa kwihitithio kwa President Muthure thikũ mũgwanja thutha wa itua riri uguo ni kuga ni muthenya wa keri ga kiumia giukite. Gerifotera Inoro TV kuma igoti-ini itugiru guku muciĩ munene wa Nairobi. Njitagwo Julius Karithi wa munene.